Today we're presenting a tour of Ikkil Bay, the show flat, and it's a 2-bedroom with 2 bathrooms. It's got this presentation of ulterior luxury, and it's Frontline Beach in Estepona. We are entering now the main house, where you have to your left a bathroom, a guest toilet. All the bathrooms are finished in travertino with underfloor heating in the whole house. Part is electric and part is with water. The kitchen, open plan kitchen with top-notch features like Gaggenau, oven and microwave. We also have this American style fridge freezer and a wine cooler. You have open sea views from the kitchen, and the fan distractor is actually in the ceiling so it doesn't disturb your view. The open plan kitchen gives you this flow to the lounge, enjoying the sea view and the light with this massive window frames. The mosquito nets come down by a click on the switchboard, and as you can see, it's a wide, ample lounge living area that comes out to this big terrace that has these ambiances: the dining area, the lounge, sitting area outside. You even have space for jacuzzi if wanted, and it can be ordered. The whole development is south orientated, and as you can see, the sun is already peeping in to the apartment. You have this wonderful view of Playa del Cristo in Estepona, and your walking distance to all amenities. We are entering now the master bedroom with plenty of wardrobes and your double sink in the bathroom with the shower and the bathtub. Very big, spacious and light bedroom, and with this fabulous view to Playa del Cristo and the beach here in Estepona. Bathroom finished in travertino with your bathtub, shower, the screen, and your window, which gives you this additional light and sensation of space. We are now entering the second bedroom. It's a spacious room with wardrobes, plenty of storage in the whole house, and this room enjoys the afternoon sun. You've got your ensuite bathroom with walk-in shower and additional window for light and ventilation, all finished in travertino. All the switches and electrical appliances are top notch, and you control everything by a digital panel. This development enjoys an outdoor pool and an indoor pool and spa area with Turkish bath and sauna. The gym at the time of filming was not installed, but it will have that as well. The inside and entrances are absolutely beautiful, lush, elegant and light. Your car comes down by an elevator, and the big garage spaces offers you as well the charging station for your electrical car. This is a unique development, Frontline Beach, with everything a luxury property can offer. Ask us for more information and floor plans, and don't miss out. Have a great day.